everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you stop by because you love seeing what people get in the Boxycharm base box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, yay, finally, after everyone else did their unboxing, my box arrived. This here is the $28 a month base box. I believe there's a $1.99 handling fee. Let's just call this a $30 box. What is Boxycharm, you may be asking? Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box where you get 5 full-size products. You get to select one of the items in your box, and they claim it should have a retail value of at least $100, $125, I forget what they claim. Typically, the boxes are at least $130 or higher. Sometimes, if you get bougie skincare, it will be closer to like $180 value. Alright, enough rambling. Let's see what came in the December box. This is very light compared to other months. So I'm thinking maybe it's going to have more makeup than skincare. Or maybe I just got some lip balms, eye pencils, and stuff that are very light. Enough speculating. Let's just dive right in. So I was really good when I did my January choices. I'm filming this today on, what is it, December the 13th. So yesterday was the 12th when we did our choices, and I didn't get a single add-on. Alright, the box does come with a card. The theme this month is 'Tis the Season for being extra. I'm always extra. And I have iteration 24. By the way, since I'm filming midweek, I didn't feel like throwing on some makeup. I do have some mascara on and a lip gloss, but I'm hoping anything I find in here, I can just shove on my face, which would be better than just a swatch. Alright, first item. What is this product here? Ooh, I'm excited. I don't even know what the product is. I'm probably going to hate it, or it's not going to be my shade, but I'm excited because the brand, let's get rid of the glare, is LAWLESS. I have been eyeing particularly some lip glosses, although they're plumping, from LAWLESS for a while now. It's one of those brands that's sold on Sephora that I've never tried before. What are you? Okay, so this is the One and Done Long Wear Volumizing. Oh, it's a mascara. I say that because I have extremely watery eyes, so I can only wear waterproof mascara, and I'm 99.9% sure this is not waterproof. Yeah, this is just a regular one. So for whoever gets this in whatever giveaway it ends up in, please write me a comment back and let me know how spectacular it is. Alright, next item. This packaging looks like, yep, REALHER. So this is Set Your Goal, which is a blurring veil. I'm assuming primer? Hold on, let me grab my little friend so we can read the back. Their packaging's pretty. On one hand, it's got some shiny rose gold, black with the gold writing, but it's like really hard to read. It doesn't say anything on the back. Let's just open her up, and then if this is powder, which I'm now thinking, just know I cut the seal just so I could look at it. Apologies. Oh yes, it is a powder, which I wasn't able to see any kind of shade or color. Like, it doesn't say translucent. It does look kind of yellowy. Okay, there's a sticker protector there. I have very, very dry, mature skin. Powder actually makes me look worse, not better, and most people put powder on to smooth out their skin to look better. It has the reverse effect on me. By the way, those first two products are on my, what do you call that, survey as being rarely or never send me. Alright. Next item. What do we have here? Packaging looks really familiar. Okay, yes. So this is from GOLDFADEN MD, and it's the Vital Boost Even Skintone Daily Moisturizer, which has vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. What? That sounds like something from Dr. Seuss that would be in a gooseberry pie. What is gooseberry? All right, let's see. Is this going to be safety sealed? Yeah, it's safety sealed. I already have 279 other moisturizers waiting to be used, so you're going to go to the back of the line. But this is, wow, 60 ml, 2 fluid ounces. That's double what you would normally get. Holy cow, this moisturizer retails for $75. Wow. Okay, well, at least you get 2 ounces or 60 ml instead of 30. That is not the priciest moisturizer I've ever received, but it's pretty pricey. All right, next item we have, am I psychic? Okay, so this here is from SERAPHINE Botanicals, and it's the Persimmon plus Plump Glass Finish Lip Glaze. It's December, winter. Typically, these subscription boxes throw in a lip balm, well, pretty much every month. But when a box is light, you can pretty much suspect you're going to have a lip balm. Oh, okay. Wow. So this is not a stick balm like I thought. This looks like something I would purchase on my own. It looks more like a lip gloss. All right, now I'm excited. Does it have a scent? Oh, it does. It smells sweet and possibly fruity. I don't know what persimmon smells like. All right, so this is in the bottle peachy, but on the skin is so not pigmented, which is fine by me. It looks clear. I don't even know if you can see it. It's right there. All right, I practically have a similar shade on my... I'm trying to hit pan on this guy here, which is very similar. Let's just throw it on my face. Now that I'm getting a second whiff, it's not smelling as good as it originally did. It's maybe I'm just picking up on the plasticky smell of the applicator. Or maybe that's what persimmon smells like. All right, beautiful, comfortable. I will definitely use this. All right, on to the last item. Yes, okay, so this is my choice item, and what I'm super excited. This here is from LYS, and it is the Triple Flex Full Coverage Brightening Concealer. I am on the hunt to find my holy grail concealer. I'm very close. I have a concealer that has been my go-to for quite some time, and I even purchased a second one of those. It's going to be in an upcoming video, so I don't want to give a spoiler, but let's take a look at this LYS. By the way, their packaging is always triangular, super cute. How did I do on the shade match? Okay, please cross fingers. Lately, my online shopping ability, especially when it comes to concealers, or I should say, most brands, like the lightest just is not light enough. All right, so this one is light enough. I don't know if I'll pick up on camera. In real life, it's very yellow, but I own it. I swatched it. No backsies. We're going to throw it on my face and just go like this, that it's wearable. I think this is going to be more matching my skin tone and not so much brightening. Anytime I'm using a concealer for the first time, I try to go in very light-handed because some concealers, who am I lying? Most concealers look super cakey on me. So let's just cap it in and see if this is a new winner for me. All right, I put a little amount on. So I don't know if it's just a lighter coverage or because I didn't use a lot, but let's see. It did cover my darkness. Let's get some on the other side, and then I'll recap everything that came in the December base box. I actually have the LYS sponge. I decided to put some over my hyperpigmentation. I have a little redness on my chin, around my nose. Add a little extra on the first eye and then get the eye that didn't get any product. All right. It's been on my face all of 2 minutes. So far so good, but you don't get enough information. Something will float on screen if anything negative or bad happened, if mega craters showed up under my eyes, or if it stays like it is now. All right, let's recap everything that came in the December base box. We've got the One and Done Mascara from Lawless, the Set Your Goal Blurring Powder from REALHER, the Glass Finish Lip Glaze from SERAPHINE Botanicals, a Daily Moisturizer from GOLDFADEN MD, and the Triple Fix Brightening Concealer from LYS Beauty. What are your thoughts? My thoughts are, I'm torn. On the one hand, the old me would have said, ugh, what a bad box. The new me, who's trying to be more positive, the glass half full, is I love getting complexion products in beauty subscriptions. I love concealer. So yay, this product alone makes the box good for me. Does it cover the value? Not quite yet. I love lip gloss and lip products. And this one's in a shade I will love, use, and enjoy. So yay to that product. Do I need another moisturizer? No. Do I use moisturizers? Yes. So this product will get used at some point in my life. So 3 out of 5 is a meh, but it did cover the price of the box. It's December. December's box, in my opinion, should be like the best one of the year. It's the holidays. Now, let's talk about the Shame on You Boxycharm. Got a mascara and a powder. If I was anyone else, I'd be, yay, I love getting mascaras. I was super excited to see something from Lawless, which is a brand I've been dying to try. The issue I have is that I particularly don't use powders, and filled out the survey or whatnot and said, don't send me powders. The same with mascaras. So the mere fact that I got 2 products where I say, no, please don't send them to me, not good. I don't think they use any kind of algorithm whatsoever. I think it's just a crapshoot. They just send you a box. That's my theory. I could be wrong, but the amount of times I get products that I specifically say, no, thank you, I think they just send you a box. So at the end of the day, 3 products I will use and enjoy. 2 will go in a giveaway. Honestly, I've had worse boxes, sad but true. All right, I'm going to list the MSRP total value of the box. Now, since the GOLDFADEN MD Daily Moisturizer retails for $75, the concealer, what was it, $18, and the lip gloss was $25. For 3 items out of my box, it's over $100, so I guess that's not too bad. Leave me your thoughts, comments down below. How would you feel about this box, particularly if you love mascara and powder? Would this be a great box for you? I will point out 4 of the 5 items were makeup. So that part was good. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a huge favor, clicking that thumbs up really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.